My nearest woodworking store is 2.5 hours away each direction. And so I don't get to go out there very often. So instead of woodworking today, I went ahead and went to the woodworking store. So here's what I got. I got two dust collection hoses. And the idea is I'm going to be reworking my dust collection in this shop at some time in the near future. I'm going to have a permanent dust collection site at the table saw and the bandsaw and my drum sander slash planer setup. So I have to design this yet, but I'm thinking I'm going to keep the dust collection where it is, right over there next to the table saw, and I'll just run the line to the table saw. I run a line through via the roof to the drum sander, and then run line to the bandsaw. I have to, like say, design that. I'll have to also have a loose line. Maybe the one that goes to the drum sander will be loose enough that when I set up my router table, then I'll be able to use that same line for both. We'll have to figure that out. So I also got this cyclonic separator. It was on extreme sale. Normally $179. I got it for $29. It might not be the best cyclone separator in the world. I don't know. It's Jet. Jet's a good name, but it's going to be better than what I have, which is nothing. I got myself some more activator. That's always good to have some extra of that sitting around. I got some saw clamps. Dust clamps. As you well know, I recently activated my brake on my saw stop, so I bought two more of those just so that I have a spare on hand. And then I got some incidentals that I really didn't need, but it was kind of nice to have. I got an 8-piece rasp set. I've been sort of wanting something like that, and I don't have any rasps. And then I got some cushioned abrasives, micro mesh, and the micro mesh pad holder, which is kind of nice to have, so that I when I do smalls on the lathe, then I can send them to higher abrasive than what I have on stock. All in all, I spent more than I should have, but I really needed the brake cartridges, and I really didn't want to have those shipped to my house, considering how many people like to relieve you of the added burden of having boxes on your front porch. So you'll be seeing me set up the dust collection sometime soon, and then you'll probably see me use these rasps and even these sanding abrasives next time I do the lathe. Well, bye. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.